Hello, I'm David Roger, General Counsel for the Las Vegas Police Protective Association. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, your rights. When you signed up to be a police officer, you didn't give up your constitutional rights. The department has to understand that. Just last year, Detective Lance Beato filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the department for violating his rights. Your rights are important, and I think that we'll probably see more lawsuits in the future, unfortunately. So first, I want to talk to you about criminal IAB. If you read my article last month, I talked about the constitutionality of NRS 289.0203. This is under the Peace Officers Bill of Rights, and generally it says that officers who are subjects of an investigation do not have the protections of the Peace Officers Bill of Rights in a criminal investigation. But there are other issues at play. First, you have a Fifth Amendment right not to talk to anybody unless you're ordered to do so by a superior. And so the issue at hand is NRS 289.0203, which provides that if a peace officer refuses to comply with a request by a superior officer to cooperate with the peace officer's own investigation, and it goes on from there. And the operative words are request. A request suggests that you have a choice. A request is the same as being asked or invited to cooperate, but it's not an order. And the criminal IAB investigators have used this statute to coerce police officers into giving statements to them and waiving their constitutional rights. We will be filing a lawsuit within the next couple of weeks challenging the constitutionality of this statute. But until then, it's important for you to remember that you do have rights. You do have choices. You can speak with criminal IAB, which is a criminal investigative team, or not. You can demand that your representative be present, or not. Those are all choices that you have. Criminal IAB, I'm told, has told officers that they can be charged with insubordination under that statute. But a lawful order, by your own policy, is defined as a lawful order will be construed as an order in keeping with performance of any duty prescribed by law or rule of the department. So an order is different than a request to comply or request to cooperate. That is the constitutional issue. And so it's very simple. When criminal IAB comes knocking, you have choices. You can say nothing. You can ask for your union rep before speaking with them, but they can't charge you with insubordination because a request to cooperate is not an order. Next issue that I'd like to talk to you about is body-worn cameras. When you are involved in a critical incident, it is important for you to stop your camera as allowed by policy when the scene is static. After the critical incident takes place, shut down your camera. And if you are a witness officer or a colleague and you show up, make sure that everybody shuts down their cameras. That's what policy allows. The consequences of not shutting down your camera are that officers may make statements that are memorialized forever and may be used against officers in a criminal prosecution or internally in an administrative investigation. So when you're involved in a critical incident or you show up afterwards, make sure that everybody's cameras are shut down. Policy allows you to do that, and it's the wise thing to do. So this is one of many videos that we're going to be presenting to you to make sure that you understand that you are a citizen and entitled to your constitutional rights, despite what some people in the department may tell you. As always, be safe, be legally safe, and if you ever have any questions, please contact me at the PPA office or email me at droger@lvppa.com. Thank you.